In this video, we listed the 15 best desktop setup gadgets for cosplay on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Gisulife Desktop Fan. The Gisulife Desktop Fan is a versatile and portable fan designed to provide a whisper-quiet cooling experience. With an 8000 mAh rechargeable battery, it can deliver up to 30 hours of operation on a single charge, making it ideal for use in bedrooms, offices, or as a bedside fan. Its USB rechargeable functionality ensures convenience and compatibility with various charging sources, such as power banks, laptops, or wall adapters. This fan is not only compact and easy to transport but also has adjustable settings that cater to different cooling needs. Its quiet operation makes it perfect for environments where minimal noise is essential, such as during sleep or focused work sessions. Product 2. Product name: Fomemo Thermal Label Printer. The Fomemo 241 Bluetooth Thermal Label Printer is a compact, wireless shipping label printer designed for efficiency and convenience. Compatible with iPhone, Android, Mac, and Windows devices, it offers broad usability across different platforms, making it ideal for small businesses, online sellers, and home offices. Key features: Bluetooth connectivity. Enables wireless printing from mobile devices and computers, reducing the hassle of cables. Supports seamless integration with various platforms for smooth operation. 4x6 label printing. Specially designed for shipping labels, but versatile enough for other labeling tasks. Produces high-quality prints that are clear and professional. Thermal printing technology. Eliminates the need for ink or toner, reducing operational costs. Delivers reliable, smudge-free labels quickly and efficiently. Portable and space-saving design. Compact size makes it easy to use in limited spaces or on the go. Lightweight and portable for increased flexibility. Product 3. Product name: Classic Table Lamp. The Classic Table Lamp is a versatile and elegant lighting solution designed for modern living spaces, combining functionality and aesthetics. This USB rechargeable night light offers convenience and portability, making it ideal for a variety of settings, such as bedrooms, hotel rooms, and even bars. Key features: Stepless dimming. The lamp supports stepless dimming, allowing users to adjust the brightness to their desired level seamlessly. This feature is especially useful for creating the perfect ambience or reducing glare for nighttime use. Touch controls. A touch-sensitive interface simplifies operation, making it user-friendly and sleek. The touch controls enable easy switching between settings and modes without the need for physical buttons. 3 color modes. The lamp provides 3 color temperature options: warm, cool, and neutral light, suiting different preferences and use cases. Warm light is ideal for relaxation, neutral light for reading, and cool light for tasks requiring focus. USB rechargeable. The built-in rechargeable battery eliminates the need for constant plugging into an outlet, offering flexibility in placement. The USB charging feature ensures compatibility with power banks, laptops, or wall adapters. Product 4. Product name: Electric Pencil Sharpeners. Electric pencil sharpeners have become essential tools for students, professionals, and artists, offering a blend of efficiency, precision, and convenience. These devices are designed to handle the repetitive task of sharpening pencils with ease, making them an ideal accessory for classrooms, offices, and home setups. They come in various designs and functionalities, from compact manual models to sophisticated fully automatic versions. One standout in this category is the Deli Space-themed full automatic electric pencil sharpener, a modern and stylish tool with unique features tailored for children and back-to-school needs. Here's why it shines. Key features: Full automatic operation. The sharpener automates the entire sharpening process, ensuring consistent results with minimal effort. Its intuitive mechanism is especially appealing for younger users who may struggle with manual sharpeners. Type-C fast charging. Equipped with a Type-C charging port, it aligns with modern tech standards, offering faster and more reliable charging compared to older USB options. This feature makes it highly portable and convenient for frequent use. Product 5. Product name: Shelf Desktop Storage Bookshelf. The Shelf Desktop Storage Bookshelf is a versatile and functional organizational tool designed to enhance efficiency and declutter workspaces. This multi-tiered unit serves as a compact solution for students, professionals, and home office users, accommodating various items like documents, books, computer peripherals, and office supplies. Features: space optimization. The tiered design maximizes vertical space, making it ideal for limited desk areas while keeping essential items within easy reach. Durable build. Constructed from sturdy materials, this bookshelf can support heavy books, binders, and electronic devices without compromising stability. Multifunctionality. Apart from storing books and documents, it doubles as a computer rack or stationery holder, catering to a range of organizational needs. Aesthetic appeal. Available in modern, minimalist designs, it complements various decor styles, making it suitable for both home and office environments. Product 6. Product name: Desktop Foldable Laptop Stand. The desktop foldable laptop stand with cooling fan is a versatile and ergonomic accessory designed to enhance your productivity and comfort while using your laptop. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, this stand combines sleek design with practical functionality, making it an excellent addition to your workspace or on-the-go setup. Key features: foldable design. The stand is fully foldable, allowing for easy portability and space-saving storage. Its compact size when folded makes it convenient to carry in laptop bags or backpacks. Cooling fan integration. Equipped with a built-in cooling fan, this stand prevents your laptop from overheating during extended use. The fan ensures efficient heat dissipation, promoting device longevity and optimal performance. Ergonomic support. The adjustable angles and height settings provide customizable ergonomic positioning, reducing strain on your neck, shoulders, and wrists. Product 7. Product name: Infic F1 2.4G Wireless Mouse. The Infic F1 2.4G wireless mouse is a versatile and ergonomic accessory designed for a wide range of applications, from office tasks to home computing. Featuring a 500 mAh rechargeable battery, this mouse ensures extended usage with convenient power monitoring through its built-in power display. Its 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity provides a stable and lag-free experience, making it ideal for use with laptops, desktops, and other universal devices. Key features include an ergonomic design that promotes comfort during prolonged use and silent click functionality, making it suitable for quiet environments like libraries or offices. The mouse is compatible with various operating systems and devices, making it a reliable choice for anyone seeking an efficient and adaptable input device. Product 8. Product name: Ataman G7T Mini PC. The Ataman G7T Mini PC is a high-performance compact desktop computer tailored for gaming, AI-driven tasks, and multitasking. This device is powered by the Intel i9-14900HX processor, delivering exceptional computational power for demanding applications. Its AI-enhanced graphics capabilities ensure superior visual performance, making it suitable for gaming, content creation, and professional workloads. Key features: processor and graphics. Equipped with an Intel i9-14900HX CPU, the G7T offers robust processing for resource-intensive tasks. The AI graphics optimization ensures smooth performance in gaming and graphical rendering. Memory and storage. Supports dual DDR5 RAM with a maximum capacity of 96 GB, providing lightning-fast data access and multitasking efficiency. Connectivity. Wi-Fi 7 ensures ultra-fast wireless internet speeds with minimal latency, perfect for gaming and streaming. HDMI 2.1 offers support for 4K and 8K video output at high refresh rates, ideal for immersive gaming and professional-grade visuals. Operating system pre-installed with Windows 11, leveraging its optimized features for gaming, productivity, and enhanced user experience. Product 9. Product name: Desktop PC Use Switch Button. The desktop PC use switch button is a convenient peripheral designed to provide wireless control over the power management of desktop computers. It simplifies the process of starting or shutting down a PC, offering a flexible and user-friendly solution, especially for setups where the main power button is hard to reach or for users seeking an additional layer of convenience. Key features: wireless power control. Enables remote OFF functionality for desktop PCs, eliminating the need for physical interaction with the main power button. Broad compatibility. Supports connection through motherboard USB and PCIe slot, making it compatible with most modern desktop systems. Ease of installation. Simple plug-and-play setup with no additional software required, ensuring accessibility for both tech-savvy users and beginners. Product 10. Product name: 5.5 inches per 14 centimeters 3D holographic projector. The 5.5 inches per 14 centimeters 3D holographic projector is a compact, innovative display device designed for captivating visual presentations. Featuring a transparent cover bracket and powered by 128 LEDs, this hologram projector creates stunning 3D visuals that appear to float in midair. It is an ideal solution for desktop advertising, making it a valuable tool for businesses aiming to attract attention in retail, trade shows, or other promotional settings. This projector is also well suited for festive occasions like Christmas and Halloween, as it can display seasonal animations and decorations, adding a futuristic and magical touch to celebrations. Its small size, 14 centimeters, ensures portability and easy placement, while the transparent cover enhances safety and aesthetic appeal. Product 11. Product name: Table Vacuum Cleaner. The Table Vacuum Cleaner is a compact, portable device designed for efficient cleaning of desktop surfaces, such as desks, tables, and counters. Specifically, the Ladybug Dust Cleaner serves as a versatile tool for removing crumbs, dust, and other debris commonly found on desktop spaces in homes and offices. This vacuum cleaner's design is both practical and user-friendly, making it ideal for cleaning up after meals or keeping your workspace neat. It is particularly effective for collecting small messes like coffee crumbs or dust, thanks to its lightweight structure and powerful suction. The crumb sweeper function allows it to easily collect minute particles that are often difficult to pick up with traditional cleaning tools. The portable nature of the device ensures convenience for frequent use without the need for cords, making it an excellent addition to any home office setup or kitchen space. Product 12. Product name: Genuine Leather Foldable Storage Trays. Genuine leather foldable storage trays are a stylish and functional accessory for home and office organization. Made from high-quality cowhide leather, these square trays offer a sophisticated way to keep small items like keys, coins, and other everyday essentials neatly stored. The foldable design makes them highly portable and easy to store when not in use, making them an ideal choice for desks, entryways, or bedside tables. Their elegant appearance adds a touch of luxury to any space, while their sturdy construction ensures durability. This type of tray is perfect for organizing sundries in a sleek, accessible way, while keeping your space clutter-free. Whether used at home or in an office setting, the Genuine Leather Foldable Storage Tray serves as both a practical and stylish solution for everyday storage needs. VVV. Product 13. Product name: Deluxe M900 Wireless Gaming Mouse. The Deluxe M900 Wireless Gaming Mouse is a top-tier option for PC gamers, designed for those who seek a high-performance, ergonomic mouse. Weighing just 63 g, this mouse is ideal for long gaming sessions without causing strain, especially for users with bigger hands. It features the PAW3311 sensor, ensuring precise tracking and minimal latency, making it a great choice for competitive gamers who need every advantage. The magnetic RGB charging dock provides a stylish and functional solution for recharging, while adding customizable lighting effects to enhance the gaming setup. This mouse also offers wireless connectivity, allowing for a clutter-free desk and seamless gaming experience. Whether you're into FPS, MOBA, or other genres, the Deluxe M900's ergonomic design and cutting-edge technology make it a standout for serious gamers. Product 14. Product name: Memoria RAM. Memoria RAM, or Random Access Memory, is a crucial component in modern computing, particularly for gaming and high-performance systems. DDR4RAM, which stands for Double Data Rate 4, is one of the most commonly used memory types today. It provides faster speeds and greater efficiency compared to older DDR3RAM, making it ideal for gaming, multitasking, and high-demand applications. The DDR4RAM options available include various speeds such as 3200 MHz, 2666 MHz, 3600 MHz, and 2400 MHz, with capacities ranging from 8 GB to 32 GB. Higher speeds, like 3600 MHz, are often favored by gamers and professionals who require the most performance from their systems, as faster RAM translates to quicker data processing and smoother gameplay. On the other hand, capacities of 8 GB, 16 GB, and 32 GB are suited for different types of users, from casual gamers to those engaging in resource-heavy tasks such as video editing or 3D rendering. Product 15. Product name 357 Clips Cable Winder. The 357 Clips Cable Winder is a practical and efficient solution for organizing cables in a home or office environment. This desktop self-adhesive USB charging cable holder is designed to keep your wires neatly in place, preventing tangling and clutter on your desk. Whether it's for phone chargers, USB cords, or other cables, this wire-wrapped cord organizer allows you to arrange and store them in a more manageable way, improving workspace efficiency. Its adhesive backing makes it easy to apply on various surfaces such as tables, desks, or workstations without the need for tools or screws. Available in 3, 5, or 7 clips, this cable winder provides flexible options for different setups, making it an excellent addition to office supplies, helping to create a cleaner and more organized workspace.